big hello and welcome to all the Planner Mums, Glam Mums, and all my subscribers. So today I'm coming on to you with the haul from Coffee Monster Co. And this is their wall calendar. So if you really want to see all the postcards for the wall calendar and the calendar, how pretty it is, it came right on time. Today is the new year, so a very happy beginning. I'm looking forward to post it in my wall. I'll show you once I'm done that, but let me quickly go through the calendar. It came with this I had ordered this extra envelope as well, which is unused, so I'm so happy. It's with the daisies at the back, and it has the same stickers that we got in the advent as well. I am beautiful, I am smart, I am brave, I am kind, I am funny, and I am loved. A good way to begin 2021, and I hope this is true not only for me but for each one of you who are watching it. And this is the beautiful calendar. So it comes like this. It is all about a magical year. That's what I'm looking forward for 2021 to be, a magical year. And it has all the my favorite Disney princes. We will go inside one by one. And then it says 2020 was a bit of a crazy year. Dealing with global issues while keeping up with school and work, my mental health was certainly a challenge. Thankfully, illustrating this calendar might give the escape I needed. I stayed up until 4 a.m. some nights when the world was quiet to detail in every leaf, strand of hair, and magical sparkles. I love that when you're feeling low, this calendar gives you fantasy escape from reality that we all need sometimes. Love you so much, XOXO Helen. And that's the beautiful wall calendar. This is my first wall calendar from her. So let's open. So this is the beautiful wall calendar. This is, I think, Sleeping Beauty, Princess Aurora with all the 3 fairy godmothers, Once Upon a Dream. And this is the calendar, how it looks like, yeah, with all the dates, yeah. And I got stickers separately to post any birthdays and so on. So this is one. Then the February is Venture Outside the Comfort Zone, and this is Rapunzel the frog. Look at the detailing, how lovely she has illustrated everything so beautifully, the flowers and everything. Here it goes again. Then is March 2021. The only way to get what you want in the world is through hard work, and this is The Princess and the Frog. This is the only one I have not seen, but I've read the book when I was young and I loved Froggy. And March 2021. Then is April, Aladdin and Jasmine. Today's moments are tomorrow's memories. So true. Look at the cloud and every detail, the star. Very beautifully illustrated. I also got the postcards for these. This is one of my favorite, and this is for the month of May. And it says, the flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. And here it is. Here Mulan. Yeah, this is beautiful again with this cherry blossom. And this is, I forgot his name. He was the god, right, for her. Beautiful again. These are the dates again. And then here is the June, this my birthday month. Who says my dreams have to stay dreams? And that's Ariel in it. Followed by the Mulan, not Mulan, Mohana. The things you have learned will guide you. And there it is. This beautiful, how beautiful it is. Just see the trees there, and it's like so cute with the flower Aloha. Yeah. And then it goes July. That's my husband's birthday. August is my little girl's birthday. And the past can hurt, but the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it. And then here are all the animals. This is Lion King, one of my favorite book. It's not a princess, but it's a lovely Disney movie as well. And my daughter, she's born on 3rd August. She'll turn 3 that August 2021. And then this is September. I want adventure in the great wide somewhere. 2022 calendar coming soon. Also, we need to mark in September already. The 2022 calendar will be there. And that's the Clocksworth, Beauty and the Beast, the chip and the teacup and the chandelier. what's his name, I don't know. Anyways, beautiful again. Bella reading in a cozy, so beautiful. September, and then followed by October. And I have lots of nieces and nephews. I have a full family, lots of birthdays, so I will be posting. And this is Cinderella with the fairy godmother. Even miracles take a little time, and so beautifully again. That's October, followed by November. Our faith lives within us. You only have to be brave enough to see it. This is from Brave as well. Lovely movie as well. This about the Scottish princess. I recently, I think the Moana was my last Disney movie. I've been repeating the other movies. Followed by It's Time to See What I Can Do to Test the Limits and Break Through. And this is for Frozen, right? This is for Frozen. Elsa in December 2021. And then these are all the beautiful illustrations again, how they look. And she says she stayed up till so long, and she did. She's very hardworking. And then she gave me 2 journaling cards. My dreams wouldn't be complete without you in it. Tiana. And thanks, Swati. Papa Teta. I got one from Papa Teta finally. I put a spell on you. And yay for happy mail. I hope you love everything in your order, and be sure to let me know. Why don't mummies take time off? They're afraid to unwind. Okay, so these were the things that I got. And then I got these. This is another freebie that we got. Alright, and I got these birthdays according to the princess. I got 3 of them because, as I said, I have a very big family and I celebrate a lot of birthdays. So all of their birthdays will be marked. Tonight I'll be finishing off putting in my calendar all the birthdays, and then I'll show you my calendar. Also, please follow me in Instagram because I will post there as well. And you can see the cake each cake is according to the princess color for that month. So these are small details, but it takes time, you see. So these are the 3 cakes, the same type. I got 3 of them. Cakes can always be useful. Again, for mentioning whoever's birthdays or anniversaries can be put. I got 3 of those as well. Again, in the rainbow colors. Same as the princess. And these are again the beautiful. This is a cardstock. This is why I have got it. So what I plan. So these are these beautiful, for all the illustrations, all the paintings. That these are the 12 of them. I got the postcards as well because I plan to post them in a lamination and like a photo frame and put it in my daughter's play area. It will be very nice for her to get acquainted with the princess as well. So this is again Aurora, Sleeping Beauty. This is the Rapunzel. For the frog one, I do not know her name. And this is Aladdin. Today's special moments are tomorrow's memories. Mulan. And this is the Ariel, Moana, The Lion King, Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, Brave, and this is the Elsa and Emma. So thank you again for watching this video, and I hope you stay tuned because I'm having a big Black Friday haul from TCMC coming. I already have had a couple of hauls, so do check my videos on that as well. And I hope you all have a wonderful 2021. May all your dreams come true. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch these beauties, and I hope it brought a smile on your face as it did to me. And God bless. Take care.